Alright, we have a Mercedes GLA 200. It's a 2022 years model. Let's take a look on where we have the OBD connection on this one here. So let's step inside, get below, down here to the pedals, and then we take a look up here, and then you can see it just about right there is the black OBD2 socket. So that's where you connect your OBD2 scanner on the Mercedes GLA 200 from 2022. And if you want to take a look on different type of OBD2 scanners, just click the link below in the description, and you come to the Amazon site where you can purchase different kind of OBD2 scanners for a very good price, all the way from the budget versions up to the professional ones. So if you're interested in purchasing one, just take a look at there. And yeah, all right, thank you for watching, have a good day, bye bye.